Easy Out Safety and Maintenance Checklist. The Easy Out requires a minimum of servicing to keep it in good working order. Nevertheless, it is important that certain basic checks be periodically made by maintenance staff to ensure ongoing safety throughout the life of the device. The manufacturer suggests that the following components and operating points be scheduled for inspection at intervals no greater than 1 month. Any detected deficiency must be rectified before the lift is put back into service. 1. Check all bolts to ensure they are tight. 2. At 6-month intervals, attach a load equivalent to the rated capacity of the lift to the cable. Raise and lower the load with the lift. Listen for any unusual noises while operating the unit. With the test load applied to the lift, check all structural welds for any signs of stress or fatigue cracks. If any unusual noises or cracks are found, stop using the lift and call the EasyWay service department immediately. 3. Test the emergency stop switch. If the switch does not stop the lift when activated, call the EasyWay service department immediately. 4. Perform a functional test of the emergency lowering feature of the lift actuator. 5. Check all the wheels and brakes to make sure they are functioning properly. Hair that gets picked up and wrapped in between wheels should be cleaned out so that the lift will roll easily. Note, the front left casters of the Easy Out are fixed casters and do not rotate for purposes of controlling the lift. 6. Do a visual check for any damaged, missing, or loose parts. Repair as necessary. 7. Check the entire sling for damage or wear, including the loops and stitching. If damage or wear is present, discard the sling and order a new one. It is recommended that slings be replaced after 1 year or if the sling shows any sign of damage or wear. 8. To clean, dampen a cloth with a cleaning solution and wipe down the unit. 9. Inspect the lift cable and clip for any signs of wear. 10. Perform a visual inspection of the lifting cable. If damage or wear of the cable coating or fraying of the cable is present, contact EasyWay to replace the cable. Remove the cover on the end of the boom to inspect the cable end where it is attached to the actuator. Perform a visual check to verify that the crimped sleeves are holding the cable ends. Mast actuator inspection. 1. Inspect the plastic housing for any dents or cracks. 2. Inspect the cables to see if they have been cut or pinched. 3. See if the actuator appears deflected when fully extended at full load. 4. Verify that the mounting points do not have any cracks or other defects. 5. Verify that the inner or outer tubes do not have any dents, dings, or large scratches in them. Contact EasyWay's service department at 1-800-627-8940 if the actuator shows any signs of these issues.